Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to remove an Instagram account from Facebook. So first of all, go ahead to your app, so Google Play, click on your avatar icon and check if there's a new update for Facebook or Instagram. So go back to your screen, go ahead to your browser, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right to go to your profile, tap in the top right, tap account and tap sharing to other apps and tap the social network that you would like to unlink, tap unlink account iOS or unlink Android, tap yes I'm sure. So I'm gonna go back to my screen and go ahead to my Instagram right here, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then it says tap in the top right here. All right, tap in the top right and it says right here tap sharing to other apps. So I'm gonna find right here sharing, or yeah, sharing remixes, scroll a little bit down, see apps, and as you can see right here sharing to other apps, and you can see I connected it to my Facebook. And if you want to unlink, you can just automatically toggle off those lists basically, and then your account will be disconnected. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.